क्योंकि बहुत सारी पोट्री अगर जो बेसिक पोट्री comes काफी फारसी या उर्दू में उनका बहुत कम काम है। उनका काम जो लोग उर्दू में कर रहे थे 22 साल की उम्र में करते हैं।
So, we had a lot of time to sit and read and to contemplate and to be with our own thoughts. Nowadays, kids are not like that.
आप लोग का जो बुक शेल्फ है, how does it work? How do you decide which book to include? It could be a graphic novel. It could be an Archie comic.
Yeah.
But also, I think there are alternatives.
ये आपने बहुत मसले में डाल दिया मुझे।
वो अच्छा है पूरा इनिशिएटिव, उसको सुनकर हमारे बच्चों को भी करना चाहिए। पर बड़ों को
वही कौम कामयाब हुई है और कामयाब है।
Notification. As you said कि वो 10 मिनट की वीडियो वो नहीं बैठ के देखेंगे। Reels they say कि वो
Well, one of my sons reads a lot, and I think there's this quote that I love that everybody is a reader, and if they're not, they just haven't found the right book.
the most successful reels are the 15-second reels.
जिन्होंने अपनी ज़बान को इज्जत दी है।
बिल्कुल।
बिल्कुल ऐसा।
4 साल?
Yeah, we started in 2019.
To try and equate Gen Z to Gen X, it's not going to happen.
And reading, I think people think of reading where it has to be this spat tome and it has to be a classic or something well-known. But I agree with Kamla.
I think parents have a lot to do with whether your child takes out that time for themselves and sits and reads.